Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to talk about how to fix the FaceTime is not working on your iPhone and how we can fix it. So let's get started. So first of all, the first and foremost step is all about if you wanted to do a FaceTime, make sure that you're having a good internet connection. Either you're going to use the cellular data or the Wi-Fi, both are fine. So make sure that you're having good internet connection. So you can just go over here, search for something, or you can just go over here to any new tabs or something, both are fine. You can just do any random search here and make sure that you're having internet connection over there. Afterwards, what you need to do is we have to go over here, tap on the settings. Now from here we have to scroll it down all the way down, go to the apps. Now go to the FaceTime. You can either search here the mostly, then go to the FaceTime over here. Just tap on it. Once you get into this, you have to scroll it down on the FaceTime and make sure this is turned on. If it is turned off, the FaceTime won't work. So if you somehow accidentally might have turned it off this, so just cross check it. It's also good practice that you can turn off this and turn on the FaceTime, then you have to check with it. Still, if you're having the trouble, then what you need to do is we have to do few more things. That is all about what you need to do is we have to do a forced restart on your device. To do a forced restart, what you need to do is you have to press the volume up followed by the volume down. Press and hold the power button over there. That's going to do a forced restart. Make sure that you do all this instant of time. So let me demonstrate you that. Volume up followed by volume down. Just keep on pressing over here on the power button and listen until you see the Apple logo. Just keep pressing over here like this. When you see the Apple logo, you can just release the finger from the power button. Just release the finger from the power button and just wait so that the phone will be completely loading up over here like this. Now you can just get into your iPhone, then try using the FaceTime. And still, if you're having the trouble, you can just go over here, click on the settings. Now from here you have to scroll it down, and from here you have to navigate to the privacy and security. Go to the location services. Make sure this is turned on. This is also very important. And also after turning on the location and services, you can just go over here at the top. Now click on the general. From here you have to scroll it down and tap on the transfer or reset iPhone. Go to the reset, and there is an option called reset network settings. Do a reset network settings. It won't delete any of your data. What it's going to do is it's going to, if you're connected to the Wi-Fi, those kind of passwords and all those will be lost, which means you have to try connect it back once again. Try doing a reset network settings. Also, you can try going for the reset old settings as well. And when you do the reset old settings, like I said, it won't delete any of your data. What it's going to do is if you're having any kind of widgets and home screen layout, all those things will be gone. And after doing this, most probably the issue regarding this will be completely fixed. And this is what we have to do, and I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.